My people, you don't finally read though. They say that one Yoruba native doctor don't come outside because of hunger. Wey Tinubu government don't bring come for Yoruba land. The guy say no, say he don't go see am for in juju. Say Tinubu will not be the president of Nigeria come 2027. The no end for there. Oh. He said that if Tinubu win a nation, say may Nigeria first come arrest am because of this prophecy. I be this wetin juju tell am wey he can't talk. Omo no be small thing o. Tinubu will not be the president come 2027 o, as the Yoruba native doctor don come talk am. Now let us go and look wetin dey happen for inside Biafra matter, because as e start right now, one of our brother wey be dey give us update concerning wetin dey happen for Finland. He say right now say Nigeria government no dey get update from Finland direct. Say na Adade Oramma and Vam say na dem dey give update go give Nigeria government. We go play you the video and make una hear wetin goes on Abeze talk for this video concerning Fulani herdsmen and by way they buy people for inside Nigeria. Stay tuned and watch the full video as it dey hot.
For Nigeria no like truth. When you tell them the truth, they will continue to fight the lie all over. I be small kids, but in spiritual realm, I be their oga patapata. No be small oga. I be their oga patapata. Man pass man. You understand? Now so split pass themselves. Now so you get spirit inside human being. You get human being inside spirit. Now so you get human being inside animal. You get animal inside human being. That is why if they tell you people truth, you continue to find solution. No be everything get solution. Death no get solution. The election where I predict, when those Ogboni people, they collect money from Tinubu, say, don't worry, Baba, we go help you do am. I go want tell APC together, say, if them win presidential election, make them come carry me, make them put me for prison. This coming 2027 election, APC no win am. I don't say governor, I don't say senator, I don't say repo. Presidential election, Tinubu no win, and then no ringing. Me they talk am. Na me Odibo 90 room on the thing Friday dies. The picking of only man, Obono. Now me they talk. No be say I dey panic. I no fear you. I no fear you. I dey tell you wetin dey happen. I be Nigeria stealing. You know every time you say make I no talk. We get Nigeria together. Anything wey won't happen, I go talk am. If you no happy, check me for house. Bomb blasteristic. I'm on who born am? No be human being. Me dey here. I dey tell you the truth. If you gather your money, give anybody, say they go set am for you. Na lie. I don't know, even though if you sell fuel 60 naira, APC sell fuel 60 naira, they go still lose this coming president election.
Biafran brothers, my Biafran beloved brothers, I love you guys. Make una no worry. Simon and Joko. Hey, my prime minister. Obato Obie. Ijele na woke. The dragon himself. Last, na man you be. Now man you be. But we are not going to tell Biafrans what they happen. Make una do. You know say una too dey talk at the house. The truth is this. Amen. Ndị ba isi ma eme no man. Ihe chidela odegie. Nigeria will not see what is coming. They won't. Now, those Adadio Ramadan that you say, hey, we went to see Obatobie. Obatobie told us to fall back. Now you can see Obatobie. Now you can even go and visit Obatobie. Why have you people not gone to visit him now? Before, when they were trying his case, you see them in Finland, you think maybe they are going there for, to sympathize with Obatobie, not knowing that they are going there to give Nigerian government details of what is happening. Because Nigerian government, no, they here. They are the one feeding the Nigerian government too. They are the one feeding Nigerian government. Guys, bro, these people, they are wicked. Adadio Ramma, Vam. Okay, Chukwukere, these people, they heartless. They are feeding their enemy of their own brother's case. Why did Musa not come to Finland? Why did all these generals where you see today, where they shout, Simon, since Simon was removed, the Southeast has become peaceful. Why did they not come to Finland? They were using their self, because if they come to Finland, they practically may not go, because Nigeria has now sent somebody to represent them in court. And the heat will get intense. They no gree come. They can't send IPOB. Why these people not see any reasonable person now? Because Nigerian government has paid huge amount of money to Finland to make this, to do this abracadabra judgment. I don't want to go deep into that. That's why I don't really like to talk about him. But what will hit Nigeria, soon, when I go see him, just calm down. Somebody will tell you it's cushioned, be cushioned, Calm down. Today I'm very excited because of the news I heard. So please, good one. Simon is doing very well. No matter what, we are heading home. I ain't here to joke. You think maybe most of us don't know what we're doing or we don't have a job. At least you could see I'm in my own place of work. But you see this fight to freedom, push to freedom, Nadia will go die. Thank you, Biab France. May God bless you people. I love you guys. See you in my next video.
And in conclusion, what would you say to the Christians and other people of goodwill around the world about the struggle of the people of Biafra today?
Thank you so much for that question. Christians in Nigeria are begging to leave. We are begging to leave. People are attacked in their homes with guns, with AK-47, with machetes. People are butchered while they are sleeping. Innocent children are butchered. Women and girls are raped in the bushes. Christians cannot converge and practice their religion securely and safely in Biafra land and in other parts of Nigeria. What I have to say is that we have to be persistent. We have to carve out a country where both Christians and Muslims have the right to exist without anyone.
My people, una don see am o, as e dey happen. I will say mo bring am come show una. Abeg make you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don read. Tinubu will not be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come 2027 as this native doctor na their people. Na dem talk am o, because if you come for east you come talk am, they go buy many people for that matter. Share the video, e get why. Igbo man, invest in your home, e get why.